Hi guys, it's Alexia. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and join our family.
Met her in the club, all the polish showing love.
Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a little summer get ready with me. I haven't been wearing much makeup lately, so I decided to give you guys a little rundown of what I'm doing on my face every day or every other day whenever I decide to do makeup. This summer I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup just because like I've just been like, no thank you, like I'll stick with some eyebrows and then conceal them, put some mascara on and call it a day. But I'm just gonna do a little bit more of like a summer get ready with me, like with more makeup. I'm gonna try to incorporate more makeup than I do on a daily basis, so we'll try to glam it up a little bit. Okay, so I know my face looks absolutely crazy right now because I have nothing on there, but basically what I start off by doing is I do my eyebrows. Excuse me, let me put on some music. I feel like this is gonna take a lot longer than I thought it was. Like I thought I was gonna get on here, film a video for like 15-20 minutes, like the amount of time it takes me, but no, this is about to be a good 25 minutes video. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera really fast. Okay, I'm back. But now I gotta conceal them and babe should go get my coffee for me.
Damn,
What?
Oh, it's because you tagged me in your fucking story.
Huh?
All these damn friend requests.
When I conceal my eyebrows, I just take my foundation because then it matches my skin tone, so then I don't have to put on more foundation afterwards. Huh? Thank you, babe. And then I'm just taking this little, like, I don't know what kind of brush this is. It doesn't even have a name on it.
He said, "Are you serious?"
That's why I was laughing. So are you serious?
What if his ass really like...
That's why he was talking like he was actually trying to buy some toilet paper. I was like, what?
No, I'm saying, like, what if he went there, like, when we go there, and he really mad that we didn't bring, like, toilet paper or baby wipes? Like, what if he had the bread and everything for it, just sitting down?
He said like $2.50.
He said, "I'm not talking about no decimal either." Oh, yeah?
We'll see.
Oh, what JoJo said, me, you, him, and Maria need to go to Six Flags, like, ASAP.
Yeah?
Yeah. And Maria was like, she said she'll buy the fast pass for all of us. She was
Okay.
She was like, the gold, because she was like, "I'm not folding for this shit." I was like, "Well, shit, I don't got the type of money for that." And JoJo was like, "Yeah, you know, we on a budget over here." She's like, "They're not even that expensive."
How much are they?
I don't know, but she said they got like a gold membership or a gold deal, gold package deal or some shit. That like one person buys it and they just add people onto that. So then that's their whole fast pass, I guess. I said, "Shit, I'm down."
Hell yeah.
Count me in. I don't do no Kevin. I keep it 100 right now. I'm recording my 10. I know you say you want smoke, but I know you don't want it. She'll hear me a bit. Oh shit! I didn't know you were recording.
Concealed. I normally do the top, but I don't know if I'm gonna do the top today.
I knew you was gonna open this one.
I don't know if I should do the top part. I feel like I should. But basically, this is like my routine. It's like 25 minutes of eyebrows and then like 5 minutes of mascara, brow bone, highlight, and like that's it. So basically my entire time getting ready is basically just my eyebrows, and then everything else takes like 10 minutes, to be honest. I'm just gonna leave them. But I got a babe by me. A babe.
What if how this, like, everybody saw me?
Like that's all they seen of you?
Yeah.
My entire YouTube career, this is all you see of him, and like I never showed his face and you guys never knew what he looked like. That would be like, so weird.
What's up?
You guys don't know what I look like.
YouTube fam.
YouTube fam. Babe helps me make merch.
Bro, that would be weird. If like somebody lived their life like this, like you just seen like their shoulders down.
Like that one, what was that one cartoon where the dude always, that really tall dude, never seen his face? What was that? You know what I'm talking about? He was like in a black tux or something.
Yeah.
I don't remember. Maybe somebody on the YouTube will know, but right now I'm just putting all this foundation and stuff on like the little problem areas that I have, that my face is like kind of red, because your girl doesn't have very good skin right now. I've been washing my face a lot more than I feel really guilty. I wasn't really doing good on my face at all. But then I just started washing it again, like really, really good. But yeah, basically just put them in the little areas that I have a little bit more red. And then just take a little spongy and then just tap over it and blend it in. So it's basically like a really freaking natural look. Like I don't wear anything on my face really, just besides like little foundation. And I'm like, what I'm gonna go ahead and do next is my lashes, and then actually I might add a little bit of color onto my lid. I'm probably gonna take the, let's see, just a Shade and Light palette, eye palette, and then I'm gonna take this like crease shade right here on like a big fluffy brush and just blend that in, just to give me a little bit of color, just because I haven't been really wearing a lot of makeup. Just to make it a little different. I'm just putting this shit all over the lid too. Pretty much all the way up into the brow.
It's hot in here. You put creamer in yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you put sugar in there?
No.
Okay, good.
I just didn't know if you put creamer or not.
Yeah, I just
But
put
I
creamer.
just did it just to... That's because I do it. That's why I did it.
I need a little bit more orange. I'm gonna take the Modern Renaissance and probably burnt orange.
Best friend.
Hi, babe.
Best friend.
Best friend.
Hi, best friend.
Best friend.
I'm gonna go a whole day calling you best friend.
And then you better call me babe the next day for like 12 hours straight. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take this Rose Metals palette and then the shade Passion Flower, which is this one right here. And then I'm gonna take a small little like a what's it called? I don't even know where the brush is at.
Ooh.
Oh, it's right here. Smudge brush. Okay, well it's not really smudging anything, but we'll go with it. I'm gonna put that in the brow bone. It's so shiny. I hate when I put highlight under the brow bone and then you get highlight in your eyebrow and then it makes your eyebrow look artificial as shit. What? Hold on. And then I'm also going to put that in the inner corner and kind of drag it up onto the lid. Normally, I just put like highlight in the inner corner and then I'm done. But actually, I added a little bit of color today, so be proud of me. Maybe the next get ready with me that I'll do, it'll be like a really good one. Like a really glam look. And then I'll maybe do lashes. I'm getting a call from mom. Yeah, my full 2%. Oh my god. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add some Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. I'm gonna run out of battery. If I do, let me just go ahead and close this out now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so very much. If you guys recreate like a summer look with like very light makeup like me, because I'm lazy and I don't want 10 pounds of makeup on my face in the summertime to sweat it off, you know, tag me in the pictures. Very nice. I'd like to see them. Also, I'm coming out with new merch shirts soon, so stay tuned for that. Add me on Snap. Huh?
You said search.
Shirts. Add me on Snap. Follow me on Instagram. You know the drill. After this mascara, I'm going to go ahead and add a black eyeshadow into the waterline just to darken up my eyes a little bit and make it more of a look, you know. But yeah, that's all for this look. That was really short actually, but I'll come out with a more glam look next time, I promise. I just wasn't feeling it today. Okay, love you guys, bye. Oh my god, it's gonna die big.